Hi everyone, in this video we're going to share with you some information about the business of selling drones with camera online. In case you're running an business selling drones with cameras online and you wish to improve upon your sales and revenue, we'll let you know how you can do it using Organic SEO. Before we actually jump into the process of marketing, let us talk about what the global trends in this market are. The global commercial drone market size was estimated at USD 19.89 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 13.9% from 2023 to 2030. Now, this means that there is a huge scope of this business growing immensely. If you want to captivate the growth in the market for this business and want to generate more sales, we'll share with you an in-depth case study wherein we helped one of our clients offering drones with cameras to generate more sales, more leads online using Organic SEO. The initial health checkup of the website pointed out to a couple of lapses, and to fix those lapses, we started working on the keyword search part of things. The idea was to find the most relevant key phrases which could be targeted to draw not only traffic but also sales for the website. Better user experience also helps in making better sales. So our focus was not only to get traffic to the website but also convert that traffic into actual sales. Apart from on-page SEO, a lot of focus was put into technical SEO stuff. We worked on loading speed optimization, canonical tags, image optimization, and even better user experience in terms of CTAs. Of course, Google prefers backlinks which are from niche-based, relevant and authoritative websites, and that is what we worked for this client. We did work on social media engagement also. The idea here was to make a buzz or noise and expand his horizon in terms of new users. Of course, SEO is a diligent process. It takes time to deliver the best top-notch results, and it did take us a couple of months to reach top positions, but eventually the client was happy since he was able to generate sales of about $100,000 using Organic SEO. In case you are running any similar business of selling drones with cameras online and are looking for better search engine positions as well as sales, feel free to get in touch with us and we surely will be able to help. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.